Good morning to one and all. I welcome you for IABS IAS Academy's Current Affairs channel, IAS News Bureau. Now we are going to discuss about PIB News Analysis, that is Press India Bureau News Analysis, dated on July 5th, which talks about indigenous Indian COVID vaccine in global race to end the pandemic. Here, what are all the companies which are coming into picture? Who invented this particular medicine? Here there is two different company which has been founded vaccine for this pandemic, that is COVID-19. First one is Covaxin by Bharat Biotech Limited, which is located in Hyderabad, and second one is Zycov D vaccine by Zydus Cadila. And where it is now, where are we now? How this particular progress is going to yield result, or how it is going to help the entire human condition. The Drug Controller General of India, under the Central Health Drug Standard Control Organization, permitted to conduct trial on human that marks the beginning of the end of this pandemic. They have given permission to do phase 1 trial and phase 2 trial, and we are expecting this vaccine can be coming to the market by the end of 2020, that is before December 2020. And what is the potential potential of Indian pharmaceutical industry? As we can discuss, India has emerged as one of the significant vaccine manufacturing hub in the world. Whatever be the vaccine that we are provided to the world, that accounts to 60 percentage, which means 60 percentage of the entire vaccine that is being supplied under UNICEF, that is United National scheme. We are providing 60% of the vaccine supply to the entire world. And this corona vaccine or a corona's injection to stop the transmission of this COVID from one person to another person can be done by any country, but it cannot be reached into the market without coming inside India, because India is the only country which can able to produce any vaccine in short period in required quantity, which means we are the only manufacturing country in the manufacturing organizations in the world which can able to produce whatever be the number that is required by the entire world. We are the largest producer of vaccine in entire world. What is this? Where we are in this vaccine race? There are more than 140 candidates or 140 countries which are trialing, and they are experimenting in different stages to find the solution or vaccination for this COVID situation. Parallelly, Indian institutions also get into this R&D research, and top two among them is BBIL and Zcovid. They are based from Pune and Hyderabad, and which are under the control of ICMR institution, National Institute of Virology, and the Hyderabad-based company is under the control of CSIR, Center of Scientific Research, Scientific Institutional Research, and these two companies, they are getting permission from ICMR to start the trial from Drug Controller of India to check their efficacy and efficiency in phase 1 and phase 2. Here we need to know about how this particular vaccine is going to give result in this particular domain. Or simply to say that how this immune system mechanism will works for a particular human. There is two different concepts. One is antigen and another is pathogen. Antigen from a pathogen and antibody produced from human immune cell can be thought of a matching a compatible pair, which means every pathogen has a specific molecular structure called antigen. Once infected by the germ, the human immune system develops antibody that can match the antigen, which means antibody which are produced by doing the research in the lab can be induced into the human cell which act against the antigen that can able to deactivate the power, or it can able to reduce the power of the virus. Immune system and its memory, how this immune system and memory is going to help in terms of getting highest success in terms of this vaccination. Once a new antibody matching the antigen evolves in our body, it can retain in immunological memory of the human neuron. Next time, when the same pathogen invades, immunological memory gets activated. This infection is nipped in the bud and we can acquire immunity for the particular pathogen. The vaccine is a method to artificially induce the immunological memory. There are many ways in which one can artificially stroke the immune system to develop antibodies and memory. The bottom line is presenting the antigen of the novel coronavirus to human immune system. And how this vaccine is going to work? We can inactivate a whole virus with heat or formaldehyde, that is chloroform, yet keep the antigen molecular formula still intact. Bharat Biotech Industries Limited, they have invented a vaccine called Covaxin, which uses the virus isolation technique from an Indian patient by Indian Institute of Virology to develop the inactivated virus vaccine. Thus, Thus, novel corona infects the human cell with the help of its spike protein. Thus, the antigen on the spike protein is a crucial vaccine target. If antibody blocks the spike protein, then the virus cannot beat the cell and its multiply, so that we can able to put an end to this transmission of COVID-19 from one person to another person. That we comes to an end of this particular discussion. Thank you.